If you have rainwater problems, we have solutions. Welcome to Allen's Gutter Systems, where 20 years of expert installation experience meets guaranteed quality in every project. Our professional team specializes in custom seamless gutter systems that protect your home while enhancing its curb appeal. Using premium materials and expert craftsmanship, we ensure every installation is built to last. From foundation damage to landscape erosion, we understand the challenges Georgia homeowners face with rainwater, and we deliver solutions that work. We don't just install gutters, we guarantee them. Each system is customized on-site by our experienced team, ensuring a perfect fit for your home's unique architecture. For complete protection, we offer professional-grade gutter guards and covers that keep leaves, pine needles, and debris out, while letting water flow freely. Whether you're dealing with overflowing gutters, water damage, or just want to protect your investment, our expert team has the experience to solve your rainwater challenges. 2 decades of installation expertise means we get it right the first time, every time. Ready to solve your rainwater problems? Call Allen's Gutter Systems today at 706-412-6916 for your free estimate and experience the difference true expertise makes. Quality work, guaranteed results. That's the Allen's Gutter Systems promise.